Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one more new cryptocurrency in the market. It's called BitChain. It's being launched on Pinksale.finance, and their soft cap was 10 Ethereum, and they've already got 34.92 Ethereum, so that's a pretty good start. And they will be launching soon on Uniswap, and the pre-sale ends in next 13 hours, so you still got a chance. Once you watch this video, you will have a chance to go get into the pre-sale. According to this text here, BitChain is an upcoming blockchain project led by a celebrity CEO and co-founder that's followed by Conor McGregor, DJ Khaled, and hundreds of other celebrities. So according to them, the guy who's making this is pretty well known among all those big celebrities. BitChain has formed many partnerships leading up to the pre-sale, like Sphynx, Pinksale, BXIN Exchange, Salus Security, Binance Partners, they're the Binance Partners, and many more. Other few things, everything we have mentioned here is 100% verifiable. They got a KYC, the team is Doxxed. They've been audited twice, a low tax, centralized exchange listing, celebrity promotions, biggest marketing campaign. So there is few things they are claiming, and apparently if it's all right, it's going to be pretty good. So that's their token address, and that's the pre-sale address. So you can still be a part of it. That's their token metrics, pre-sale, liquidity, and all the other portions. So pre-sale is 29%. Liquidity is 14%, treasury 22%, seed 12.5%, centralized exchange 10%, team 5%, partnership 5%, and few others. And liquidity is locked for 365 days. Let's get into their website. That's their website. Looks pretty fancy. So what is BitChain? Apparently what it is a layer 2 solution to BNB chain. They've got some AI tools and AI tech tools in there, crypto tools, and some bots which are going to be pretty good for the people who are going to be using this solution for the BNB chain. They're going to make the transactions much more in number and much higher in speed. So you can read through all this. One of the key strengths of BitChain is its team, which possesses a successful entrepreneurial mindset and background. Additionally, the project plans to garner support from a network of influential individuals, including celebrities and other prominent figures, which will contribute to establishing BitChain as a trustworthy and reputable business in long term. So according to them, they got some pretty big names lined up for this project. About the BitChain, they said the seed sale was sold out in 48 hours. That's a pretty good outcome for the seed sale because they got like 12.5% for the seed sale. So that many tokens getting sold out in 48 hours. So sounds pretty good. But do your own research. This is not any financial advice. So why invest in BitChain? BitChain has registered as a company, and its CEO is fully doxxed and possesses extensive experience. So the main strength of this project is their team. They are all successful businessmen, and what they are trying to introduce, unique features they are trying to introduce is including AI technology, crypto tools, and bots, like what I said before. So that's about CEO. You can read more about him. He's on LinkedIn as well. So that's the white paper. You can come onto the website, have a look at it. So if we click here, that's the white paper, why BitChain, why they're launching it on Ethereum, what's BNB chain, what's a smart contract. So pretty much basic information about what they're going to be doing and what's the result they are looking at achieving. After that, in the website, that's their tokenomics and distributions, like it was on the pre-sale platform. And that's the team. So pretty much we don't know who they are, but apparently they are fully doxxed, and they've been KYC'd, so someone somewhere knows who they are, and if things goes too worse, you'll be able to chase them out. And that's the team. That's their Twitter handle. They got nearly 12,000 people following them. This platform will be pretty good to find out what companies or what other platforms they are in partnership with. So Salus and new partnership with MuratiAI. So there has been Pinksale, Sphynx Labs. So there is few big names coming up, but Cobra calls. So do your own research. Like I said before, not financial advice. This is what I believe. I'm putting some money into this thing, and hopefully we'll be making some good money out of this as well. Look, these are all coins. Yeah, they are meme coins. They can go good, they can go bad. So don't know what's gonna happen. But in saying that, that's my channel. If you like the video, do subscribe and leave a comment. If there's any other projects which are coming out, I can make a video on them as well, explaining a bit of them. So good luck with this one, and hopefully you will press the subscribe button, and I'll bring you with some more crypto in future. Till then, you guys stay safe.